that cool? Yes, my biko with design pa. Yan, my biko with design pa. See? Mwah! Thanks for the support, guys. I love you all. Ayan ang biko ko. Nilagyan ko lang ng design na strawberry flowers and grapes. See? Biko Biko, Pinoy Biko. Thank you so much for watching. See? Brown na. It is brown now. There's a little brown sugar, chocolate, and white sugar. Smells good already. I put 3/4 cups of sugar, white sugar, and there's a little brown sugar and plus chocolate. Sweet, but it's not really sweet. I put salt, 1 teaspoon salt, not tablespoon, 1 teaspoon salt. I think it's not actually really 1 teaspoon. So it will blend the sweetness and yeah. Biko Biko. Hindi masyadong asya matamis, pero nalasahan ko yung chocolate. It is the chocolate that I put. Lutuin natin sandali dito at nang magkatutong. Diba? Sarap yung tutong kasi. Tapos ihalo yung latik mamaya. Okay? Hindi masyadong matamis ito. Yung iba, pinalo ko doon sa rice. Ngayon, papalaputin pa talaga ito siya. Makes more stickier. See? Biko Biko. Ayan na yung latik. See? Ng sugar and chocolate. So, ilalagay ito sa ibabaw ng biko. Gusto ko lang biko ko magkakatutong. Happy New Year, guys! Ito na ang finished product na ginawa kong biko. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Yummy biko.